Hello, I'm Solbert, I'm the computer voice of Seoul, Texas company. In this video we are going to talk about a new feature of Firewall Cloud UI, called Import Wizard. Now Firewall Cloud can export and import the policy rules in a format compatible with IPtable-save format. If we have SSH access to a firewall, then we can import it to Firewall Cloud. Let's see how easy it is to do it with Firewall Cloud UI. We have a wizard that will guide us through all the steps. First step is to choose if we are going to import from a firewall or from a cluster of firewalls. For simplicity in this tutorial we are going to select Firewall. We write the name the new firewall we are going to create will have. Now we need the data to access the firewall we are going to import from, like IP address, SSH port, username and password. Remember that this user has to have enough privileges to execute IPtable-save in the imported firewall. Next step is to discover the interfaces and the IP addresses of the firewall, so we can use them in the policy, otherwise it will not take them into account and it will create new IP address objects. Here we can select which of them we want to include. It informs us that a new firewall will be created in the next step. If for any reason we want to cancel the process, this is the last choice. The interfaces are discovered and it starts the import process. We get a small summary of the import. It is important to note that although the majority of the work has been done, we have to check the imported policy. We have finished and we can close the wizard. If we review the new firewall, we can check the interfaces, objects and rules. In this case Firewall Cloud has grouped some rules and colored some others because we are importing them from a firewall created with Firewall Cloud and the original policy has these groups and colors, but the import can be done from any firewall that can be exported with the command IPtable-save. We can label the interfaces, or for instance, give a name to the network objects. Once we are satisfied with the policy, we can compile and install it. This has been all in this short video about Firewall Import Wizard feature. Please stay tuned to learn more new features of Firewall Cloud UI.